Conversations and opinions expressed on this channel could be subjective or objective and are also for informational, educational, and entertainment purposes only. Here on The Mix, we encourage and implore you to conduct your own research.
Y'all better believe it. Y'all thought I was playing, but I told y'all.
Kells the king of R&B. We all know that, man. And it's funny, I'm glad you talk about that because I be having talks, everybody jump when you say R. Kelly. I'm like, so we just gonna ignore his music that he gave us that we all jam to? No, we can't do that.
Right.
His art is his art. I'm not gonna bash him. And to me, we have to learn how to, I think as a culture, we have to learn how to separate that.
Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, The Mix. Like, share, subscribe. Like, share, subscribe. Reminding you guys, I am running the second quarter contest giveaway, so hopefully you guys are listening to my videos from beginning to end. I'm dropping clues, I'm dropping hints. Those clues, those hints will be used for the second quarter cash prize giveaway. Yes. I will be dropping a video with more details and information on what to expect, the logistics of the particular, contest drawing, what I'm going to incorporate all of that stuff when I conduct the drawing in June. So stay tuned, stay connected, to the community section. Again, like, share, subscribe. If you're interested in donating, hit the Cash App, that Zelle, that PayPal. It is in the description section of this post. All donations go toward content enhancement creation, you guys. So without further ado, yes. This is a Mr. Rkelly, Robert Kelly update. Yes, the GOAT. And I'm still piggybacking on the comment someone made in the chat, not the last video I did on Rkelly, but the previous one, that I grabbed from the information I grabbed from Justice for RK page on IG. Someone made a comment in the chat on one of my posts, on one of my videos, stating that my information is inaccurate, it's wrong. Well, voila. Remember I told you guys I was going to have access to Pacer. I did get that access. I had some trouble back in, so I had to give them a call. Like I said, y'all, this is a one-stop shop pretty much over here. Have help here and there, have assistance here and there, but not super consistent like I would like for it to be. So I'm technology, I'm CEO, CFO, all of that over here on The Mix. I'm production. You know what I'm saying? I'm a creator, I'm the writer, I'm everything. So I got into Pacer, and for some reason, this particular district in Minnesota wasn't coming up. So I was just like, I'm over that. I'll go back at another time. But I said, you know what, The Mix, go on over to Minnesota court system district, website. So I did that, and voila, this is what I found. So I like to provide receipts when it comes to topics like this, court topics, cases, all of that. I do like to provide receipts. So let me go ahead and share that with you all. And if I don't have receipts, you'll know. I'll say that. I'll say something like I can't confirm or deny, etc., or use some type of word or language or verbiage to further explain what's going on with the particular case or whatever. So, but here we go, you guys, and voila. Okay, you guys, this is the Minnesota Judicial Branch. This is their website. It's mncourts.gov. You can go here. It's public records, public information. You come here yourself and do your own search. Really quickly, you guys, before I continue with showing you all how I got to what I got to, I just want to say this really quickly, is that this is civil. Now, what someone posted, like, oh, case was dismissed, the case was dropped, your information was inaccurate, The Mix, that's what they were saying pretty much in the chat. Well, of course, there was some cases that was dropped, and that was the criminal case. This is civil. There's a difference between criminal and civil, and I've gone over the differences between criminal and civil. I do have a legal background for those who are new to The Mix. So I went over the difference in plenty of other legal related videos. Check out my Rkelly playlist. I'm gonna go ahead and post that in the community section today too, so you can go over that and just check out my legal related playlist. So I have a legal related playlist and I have an Rkelly playlist. I'll post both community section and have at it. You'll get an understanding, idea of legal terminology, some of the legal actions that I've gone over in the past with other cases, not just Rkelly, just other cases, period, in content and videos I've done on non-celebrities as well. So here we go. So this is Minnesota Judicial Branch, and again, this is public information, mncourts.gov. So I went here, you could just do a quick Google search. This came up, so I'm going to click here at Minnesota District Trial Court Case Search. Here we go. Then I'm going to select here, Minnesota Court Records Online. Boom. Access it. That. Oh, my bad. Access that. I click that. Excuse me. And so you type here. I just want to select civil only. His name is Kelly. My bad. First name is Robert. Okay, you see this? So this is the person that I searched, Rkelly, and then we're gonna, there are 56 search results. There are 56 results, so we're gonna scroll down until we see Rkelly's name. And voila, here. Jane Doe, and this is result number 7. So it's 56 results with the name Kelly and Robert, I guess. So we have here case number 27-CV-21-2773. And look at the judge, Brown Michael K. And it says case status reopen. You see this here? Reopen. Reopen, you guys. This case has been reopened. Okay. And it was filed March 10th, 2021. Let's click here. Like I said, you guys, I like to show you all how I got to what I got to. So, okay, right here. It says upcoming hearing, jury trial on July 14th, 2025, and at 9 a.m. And I touched on that. That was the letter. Let me get to the letter, the scheduling letter that the judge placed the order on. So, Jane Doe versus Robert Sylvester Kelly, personal injury. Again, this is what? This is civil. Case status reopened. And I'm not 100% sure who reopened this. I think I said on the last video that Jane Doe did, but I'm not 100% sure. So, okay, this is the judge assigned. It was prior case was with Kristen, that judge, and then it was assigned to Michael K. Brown on July 17, 2024. And so that is the presiding judge. Let's jump down here. Okay, scheduling order. Boom. March 14, 2025. Told y'all. Look at the scheduling order. Case events. And this is all public information. They had a hearing that was held remote on March 7th. A memorandum on February 28, 2025. Let me click here to get the official document. Again, I like to show my proof. Boom. This is what Justice for RK has on his page. Boom. You see this? Filed in District Court, State of Minnesota, March 14, 2025. Oops. Maximize that too much. Okay. Here we go. State of Minnesota. Jane Doe plaintiff versus Robert Kelly. The above entitled matter came before the Honorable Michael K. Brown, Judge of District Court, on March 7, 2025, upon defendant's motion of summary judgment. The court makes the following. The scheduling order of September 27, 2024 is hereby amended as follows. And let me pause right here. Again, this is the amended scheduling order granted by the judge. So basically the judge, this is a order changing the dates for something. And again, I can't confirm or deny who brought this or reopened the case. Not brought it back up, but who reopened the case. I don't know if it was Jane Doe or I don't know if it was Attorney Jennifer Bonjean. Okay. And it says here, the above entitled matter came before the Honorable Michael K. Brown. Okay. Oh, okay. Let me reread this. Okay. Judge of District Court on March 7, 2025, upon defendant's motion for summary judgment. So the defendant, Mr. Robert Kelly, his attorney, filed a motion for summary judgment, but I don't know if she technically opened the case, reopened it, or filed for reopen it. Okay, so the court makes the following, and this is amended scheduling order. A schedule, we all know what a schedule is. Okay, so this court judge made the following. The schedule order of September 27, 2024 is hereby amended as follows. Meaning that amended means changed. So it says trial block, and we went over there in the last video what trial block means, meaning when cases go to trial. Dates and stuff, tentative dates, it could be around whatever time frame. The case is assigned to the trial block beginning of July 14, 2025. So I guess this particular judge or judges have a block where they have trial dates. So it's probably maybe 2 weeks, 3 weeks, or between this date and this date. These are the dates that they're going to be conducting trial or the month. Okay, and that was paragraph A. So paragraph B say a joint statement of the case pursuant to Minnesota Rule GEN PRACT 112.01 must be filed with the court on or before June 23rd, 2025. Boom. So the judge is saying here, paragraph B, and I'm kind of going over this again and taking my time, is that, pursuant to this rule, Minnesota rule, he needs to respond from both the defendant and the plaintiff, meaning Jane Doe and Mr. Robert Kelly. He needs there must be a response statement filed on or before June 23rd, 2025 in his court. So, and number 2, except as amended herein, the scheduling order of September 27, 2024 remains in full force and effect, except amended herein. So that means, except for what is amended herein, the scheduling is still the same from September of 2024, but what I've amended, except for what amended in terms of this date. And this is the judge. This is the judge, y'all. Like I said, so yeah. And this is the case 27-CV-21-2773. And this is Public Access Court, State of MN, US. This is not PayCert, you guys. This is Minnesota's direct website. So this. Okay. You see these dates? February 2025. Memorandum. Let's see. Motion for summary judgment. Prohabicy. Motion. I'm going to have to go back. In the interest of this being a quick video, I'm not going to go click on these documents because I know they're going to be pretty lengthy and large. But I'm going to go ahead and do some more research, you guys. And then the pertinent documents, I'm going to find out who actually brought this before the court again. Whether it be Mr. Rkelly, his attorney, of course, Jennifer Bonjean, or, as you can see, lead attorney for this case, attorneys active, Andrew Herbert, lead attorney. And then you have Jennifer Bonjean. Is he an attorney? Andrew Herbert Morning. Is this the same? I thought he was a like a legal rep. Andrew. I think Andrew helps Mr. Bill Cosby too. And attorney Jennifer Bonjean. Oh my gosh. So attorney Jennifer Bonjean is here. She's not the lead attorney, and this is Andrew Herbert is the lead attorney. Attorneys active. Oh wow. Rkelly. And Mr. Rkelly is in North Carolina, y'all. Oh gosh. All right. Okay, I'll come back here at a later date and go through some of these documents, and then the one that answers my question, I'll go over that at a later date. Okay, you guys, so what are your thoughts? Drop some comments in the chat. Again, I just like to share, like to bring receipts when it comes to cases like this, especially if I have access to whatever court records. Then, and for the most part, most of the time, it's public information. Sometimes case information could be sealed, under sealed. So, but again, my response is to the person that was in the chat. One of my videos, 2 videos before this, the Rkelly update video, saying that my information was inaccurate, and voila, it is not. The case was reopened, and this is civil. Civil means money. The criminal case was dismissed in Minnesota, but the civil case is not. So as you can see, you got the attorneys, Jennifer Bonjean, Andrew Herbert. Like I said, I didn't know Andrew was, and I think that's the black guy who was on Bill Cosby's team too. I thought he was some type of legal assistant, and my apologies for that. But I'm gonna Google his full name because I see the full name, and there was a middle name looks like included. So I like to be at least as much accurate as possible. And I did originally get this from Justice from Arcade page, but voila. And I said too, you guys, I will go ahead and validate this in here. So this is 100% true. This is facts. This is facts. I'm dropping receipts. So yeah, thank you guys for tuning in. And again, I will go back to that website, go over some of the documents and see who reopened it, who initiated this reopen and all of that type of stuff. You know, I like to piece things together. So hope you find this information well. Free the GOAT, free Mr. Rkelly. That's the Minnesota civil update. And I will do my best to stay tuned, stay abreast, especially for the upcoming dates. What, in June, I think it said. So yeah, I'll go ahead and calendar that's on my end. So I'll bring you whatever updates as long as this is available to me on Minnesota Court District's website. So like this video, share this video, and money. Talk to you guys soon. Bye.